Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Where am I? Somewhere totally new. New to you, it's not new to me, you know what I'm saying? Welcome back. Today we're starting a brand new adventure and looks like I'm pool boy. So I gotta work on this pool, man. Whoa, it's so green. Last year, pump went out. I bought a new pump and the pump absolutely sucks, but doesn't really suck that good. That's the problem. And it just doesn't really work good enough, even though it was supposed to work good enough, it just didn't. I bought a new pump. So I got a better pump, a bigger pump, and I'm gonna install that today. And I got a brand new filter. So we're gonna put the pump in, we're gonna put the filter in, and I'm gonna film it, and we're making movies. And I got something else I gotta tell you guys about. The lens. Jess, why did you get a new lens, man? Did you see the last video? The one where I built the Viking pit over at MT Homestead? Did you watch that video? Man, we had a lot of fun. If you watch the video in certain shots, not if it's got a white background like right there, you're not gonna notice it, but if it's my hat where it's black, you're gonna notice right there a little tiny white dot or a little tiny white spot, okay? You might have seen that. If you're a video Nazi, if you like to film, if you like to edit, if you love cameras, if you like getting the shot, man, if you like making movies, you probably noticed it. I mean, it was bugging the crap out of me the whole time I was editing. I also had a whole bunch of little spots on that lens that were right there, boom, all over the place. Whole bunch of little spots. And that lens that I took off, that's the one I've been filming all my vlogs with. It's messed up, man. It's messed up. I've just been dealing with it. It's got the spots. I did that whenever I was filming a sequence. We were doing some metal work. The coating on it got dots on it. It got kind of melted. So I do got my helper today. Elias is here, my grandson. He's coming to hang out. What's up, buddy? What's up? You got that? And yeah, that's what the lens is about, man. I needed a new lens. The dot at the very top, when I was filming another video, I set this camera down on the spool over by the Viking pit. I turn around and my whole camera, boom! And I kid you not, the lens fell right on a rock. I heard it and I was like, oh man, I expected my lens to be completely cracked, you know what I'm saying? But I pick it up and there's one little chip out of that lens, and it just so happened to be right at the very top. And I was like, if I'm creative, maybe I can figure out how to make this work. I made it work for about 4 or 5 more videos, but today is the day where I got the brand new lens. You know what I'm saying? And I'm so happy. And you saw me put the filter on the front. If I would have had the UV filter on the other lens, it's just a clear filter, doesn't let all the UV rays in, doesn't really do much to your shot. But if I would have put that on there, it would have been like a pair of safety glasses for my lens. You know what I'm saying? It would have broke the UV filter and it wouldn't have broke my lens. So rookie mistake. I got one on my 24-70 that I use on the other big camera. I should have had one on this one, but I didn't. I messed up. I broke it. It's over with. We got a new lens and we're back in action. But hey, thanks for being here. And got little man out here. He's ready to work. And I got to start on this pool pump. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to do that. Man, I'm gonna have to get some tools, get the rest of that off of there, you know what I'm saying? But first, y'all already know what I'm about to say. Mosquitoes are already getting me. So, honey, do we have any bug spray?
Yeah, right here.
All right, cool, we got bug spray. Thank you, buddy.
Yeah.
All right. All right, we're outside working today, and Crystal's got something she wants me to help her with. We got a big, huge pot over there. She wants to get some stuff planted in it, so we're gonna do that real quick. Okay, go put it in that pot. I got it.
Mama. Papa.
Oh, that's a big old chunk.
Yeah.
Bowl.
Oh, yeah. That dude was heavy, you know what I'm saying? Man, there went all my Diet Coke ice, man. All of it gone. Hey man, oh, not much, man. What are you up to? Yeah. I got the palm liner coming, and all right, brother. We'll see you, man. Bye. Guys, that's all the time I have for today, man. I got all the stuff yanked out, got the new filter put in, and went and got the plumbing parts. So, hang on. So I've got everything ready to rock and roll, but it's getting kind of late. I got my grandson, grandma's gone. I got to start dinner. We're gonna be grilling some chicken, making some chicken, grilled chicken tacos, and you know, we got to cook dinner and stuff like that. So I think that's all I'm gonna do today on the pool, but I'm coming back tomorrow, same video, you know, same video. It's not even gonna seem like I left, because I'm just gonna cut it right here. Different day, different hat, different shirt, same sand filter, same pump. Now it's time for me to get back to work. All right, guys, I'm all done installing the filter. It's all done, got it plumbed in, and freaking bugs are eating me up out here, man. I can't put enough bug spray on, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, filter's done, and time to get the pump installed, so I'm gonna do that.